This video will show you how you can reorganize your nodes in NVivo. I have started to do some coding in this project. I have been working in an emergent way, creating codes as I have read and interpreted the text. As I have been creating codes, I have been putting them in a node folder for new nodes. It is time for me to review these nodes and see if I can reorganize any of them. I can see there is a lot of coding about the fishing industry, tourism, and some coding about agriculture. They are all aspects of the economy, so I will be able to catalogue them together. So, in my node folder for themes, I am going to create a new top-level node, Economy. I'm now going to head back to my new codes folder, hold the Control key down, and select tourism, fishing industry, and agriculture. Now I'm going to drag these into my folder for themes. I'm going to select them again using the Control key and drag them under my node Economy. If I head back to my new codes, I also have a node for decline and a node for growth. These are aspects of the growth cycle, so I will create a new node in my theme folder by clicking in the white space in list view and creating a new node, calling it the growth cycle. This time I'm going to head back to my new codes folder, hold the Control key to select growth and decline, and then I'm going to use the shortcut key Control and X to cut the nodes. Now I'm going to move to my themes folder, click on the node growth cycle and hold down the Control and V key. This will paste those nodes under the growth cycle and delete them from the new codes folder. It is important that when you move codes around that they are deleted from their former place. In order to keep to the rules of a cataloging system, you should never duplicate a node. I will also catalogue the nodes for positive and negative as they are kinds of attitudes. I'm going to create the new top level node attitude, head back into my new codes, use Control to select positive and negative attitudes, Control and X to cut them, and move to the theme folder, click on the node attitude and hold down Control and V to paste them. So that is all I am going to reorganize at the moment, but I want to have a look at my nodes for wind power and renewable resources, so I will review their coding. Having looked at them, I have decided that I don't need the distinction, so I'm going to merge the node for wind power into renewable resources. To do this, I will right-click on the node for wind power and choose Cut. Then I will right-click on the node for renewable resources and choose Merge into selected node. I will keep selected all the default options. I will now rename renewable resources to renewable energy by right-clicking on the node and going to Node Properties. Here I can enter the new name.